I'm financial coach Sparkle, but you may know me as musical artist Karma Soleil. Welcome to Financially Sparkling. This is my free online course where I teach you to fire in your finances and to sparkle in your life. So, get your notebooks and let's get into today's topic. All right, everyone. So today's topic is 15 passive income ideas you can start now. But before we get into those ideas, let's define passive income. So passive income is an automatic process of making money with little to no active work involved. Simply said, it's making money in your sleep after you've already done the work ahead of time. So let's say you have this dollar. You got this dollar from doing the work, and this dollar is your product. If you want this product to make you more money, you have some options. And always do your research to find the best option for you. So let's begin with the first idea. Open a high yield savings account. Now I'll make another video about high yield savings accounts so that you'll be more prepared in understanding what this is and what it's doing for you passively. But some options of a high yield savings account are with Ally Bank, my favorite, SoFi, Capital One Bank, Goldman & Sachs, and so forth. Option 2, create a podcast. You can monetize it by sponsoring with ad partners, and once you're big, you can become part of advertising networks. Example of podcast platforms are iHeartRadio, Apple, Spotify, Audible, Google Podcasts, and so on. Number 3, start a retirement account, like an IRA, an individual retirement account. Fidelity, E-Trade, SoFi, Interactive Brokers, Ally, Vanguard, they all offer you an IRA option. This is so that you're not 100% reliant on your job to provide for your own retirement in the future. I will also go more in detail in that in the future. Number 4, rent your parking space. So let's say you have a parking space that you don't use and you want to make money from it. You can rent it out to somebody that has a car and needs it. I had this option before, but I didn't take it because it's just not something I was interested in doing. I had a parking space at my apartment, but I didn't have a car. I could have started making money from that, but it's just not something I'm interested in. Maybe you are. Number 5, pet sit in your home. If you're a pet lover and you're at home anyway, you can have people bring their pets to you and pay you for that. There are many websites you can use to start your search for work. For example, Trusted House Sitter, Pet Sitter, Rover, Fetch Pet Care, and Pet Backer. A simple Google search will help you find more. I use Pet Backer whenever I need someone to watch my dog for me when I go traveling. It's just very easy and convenient, and you can get paid for this. Number 6, just like pet sitting, you can house sit, and sometimes they are one in the same. You are house sitting and pet sitting at the same time. For example, Trusted House Sitter is both house and pet. House Carers, House Sitters America, these are places you can start your search for work. And you get the opportunity to travel if that's something you're interested in. Number 7, create an online course. So you can advertise and publish your course on websites like Udemy, Teachable, Coursera, Skillshare. If you are a teacher and you have some skills that you want to teach others. My course is on YouTube for free because that's just my preference. I prefer people to pay me for one-on-one time as opposed to just learning about something. That's just my personal preference. But if you want to monetize your skills, you can go to one of these websites and do that. Number 8, sell digital products like digital art, graphics, ebooks. You can also sell your art as an NFT, a non-fungible token, on sites like OpenSea and Foundation. I don't have much experience with these, but if you're into NFTs, look into that and do your research. For other things, you can use your websites like Etsy, Amazon KDP, and Kobo Writing Life. These are other platforms and marketplaces you can sell your work. Number 9, sell blank books and greeting cards. These are also known as low content books. Find a retail stationery company like BookBolt or Amazon KDP, and you can create and sell planners, journals, sketchbooks, templates for Photoshop, templates for Excel, and so on. Number 10, if you're a musical person, license your music. You can submit your music freely to a music licensing company, and people that need music for their media will go to this website, select your music, and you get paid. Some examples of this are Music Bed, Epidemic Sound, Artlist, Marmoset. There's so many. If you want me to do another video on this, I'll go into detail about the different music licensing companies because it's a lot. All right, so number 11, if you're into photography or videography, you can license and sell your photos or videos. You can submit them to a stock photo company, and people that need stock photos or stock videos will go to their site, select your photos and videos, and you get paid. Some examples like this are Shutterstock, iStock Photo, Pexels, Pond5, Getty Images, and so on. Number 12, start a blog and make money through affiliate marketing links. There are many blog hosting websites to choose from. WordPress is quite popular. I even have a WordPress blog account. Number 13, start a YouTube channel. This is self-explanatory. There are many videos on YouTube that will tell you how to start a channel and the requirements in order to start making money as a YouTube partner. However, you don't need to be a YouTube partner to be making money because of your YouTube channel. If you already have a product that you're selling and you have a video to reinforce the product, you can still drive more traffic to your website or page, and that will generate you some income. Number 14, join an affiliate program. Now, these are sites where they want you to sell their product and bring traffic to their website. Places like that are Amazon affiliates, CJ affiliate, or ClickBank. In my opinion, these are best to do when you already have a big following or regular traffic to your website, because these affiliates, they do have sign-up requirements. So although it might be possible to become an affiliate without such traffic, it's extremely hard. So I'd say this would be the last step you do after your business is doing well and you've seen some traffic, that you can bring in more traffic to these other businesses so that everybody's making money. And number 15, U.S. Treasury EE and I bonds. I'll also do another video on this to go into more detail, but you can make anywhere between 0.1% and 10% interest over the course of 20 to 30 years of the bond's life. If there was a passive income idea I talked about but didn't give a lot of details on and you wanted more information, please let me know in the comments below so I can make a video and talk more about it and help educate you all on what this is so that you know which passive income idea to choose. That's it for today. You can find all of this information on my blog. The link is in the description below. Everything is free except my time. I do private consultations one-on-one at a very low cost, meaning if you need some help with your personal finances, you can always book a session with me through Fiverr. See you next time and keep sparkling.